Do you want to get a professional skin retouching results in Photoshop in just 2 minutes? I'm talking about smooth skin that actually looks real without blurring out all the texture. In this video, I'm going to show you the unique non-destructive technique incredibly fast. Hi everyone, I am Manoj and welcome to Pixel Pro. I believe anyone can be creative with the right tool knowledge. So today we are breaking down skin retouching method that is perfect for a beginner and pros like. Let's jump right into Photoshop. Okay, let's start with your base image. First, we need to create 3 copies of this layer. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl J or Command J on Mac 3 times. Now we want work on non-destructively. So right click on each of this new layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Do this for all 3 copies. Leave the original background layer as it is. Then turn off the visibility, the eyeball icon. For the very top layer, for a moment and select the layer underneath it. We are going to use this for our base smoothness. Go up to the menu bar, click filter and go down blur and choose Gaussian blur. For this specific image, I am going to use radius 20. Just remember, you might need to increase or decrease this number depending on the quality and resolution of your own photo, but 20 is a good starting point. Now let's bring that texture back so it doesn't look fake. Turn the eyeball icon back on for that top layer we hide earlier. Change the blend mode of the layer vivid light. It's going to look bit strange for a second, but stay with me. Go back to filter, but this time choose other and then high pass. For this image, I am setting the radius to 3. This captures just the fine detail and skin pore. Here is where the magic happens. Hold down the control key and select both the blur layer and the high pass layer and press Ctrl G. Group them together. Now we need to hide this effect so we can paint it exactly where we want it. Hold down the Alt key or Option key or Mac and click the layer mask icon at the bottom of the layer panel. This creates an inverted black mask hiding everything. Select your brush tool. Make sure foreground color is set to white. For the setting, keep the hardness 0 and ensure opacity and flow at the 100%. Increase your brush size and painting over the skin. Be careful near the edges when you get close the nose, eyes or edges of the face. Make your brush smaller and maybe lower the flow so you don't blur things that should stay sharp. Once you have painted over the skin, it might look little too smooth, maybe a bit unnatural. To fix this, make it look like real skin, just lower the opacity of the group. I usually bring it down about 80 to 90%. This brings back just enough of the original texture to make look realistic. Check out the difference between before and after. Here is the before and here is the after. And that's it. A simple, effective way to retouch skin, just few steps. If you found this technique helpful for your editing workflow, please hit that like button. I have lot more tutorials on AI tools and Photoshop coming up on Pixel Pro. So you make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks for watching and keep creating.